Easton Area School District is a district that prides itself in its diversity. Its diversity in student background, economic status. Looking at our district, we have students who come from some of the wealthiest communities in Northampton County, and we have students who come from some of the poorest communities. And so we're making sure as a district that we're providing each one of those with the supports that they need to be successful. The Easton Area School District has had a long-standing relationship with communities and schools. The beginning that I've had with communities and schools dates back to when I was the head principal here at Easton Area High School. We were looking for a tiered approach to providing social and emotional support to our kids when we really didn't have a lot of support for them here. And in comes communities and schools to work with us, alongside of us, with a model that allowed us to provide those students with those supports during the course of the school day to get them back into the classroom and learning. One of the needs was just making sure that they also had connections in the community. Communities and schools had an outstanding record of connecting with community organizations, and so that's really why it made for a natural partnership. They're very dynamic folks. They care very deeply about the students here in the Easton Area School District. They can be called on for any type of assistance. So oftentimes when there's tragedy where we need their assistance, they've always been available to us and support not only our students but our staff as well. On a yearly basis, they're taking a look at what their goals are for the year and they're measuring their success. And that allows us then on a yearly basis to look at different priorities and plan accordingly. They're instrumental in us being able to carry out the day-to-day operations of our schools at both the middle school and high school. They've been a part of the fabric here in the district for several years, and I don't see it any other way.